Mini projectile launcher allows you to easily investigate projectile motion and horizontal motion. Through this apparatus, the students will gain a better understanding of gravity and vectors. The apparatus comes on a sturdy metal base. It has a built-in protractor, so you can easily determine the angle of launch. It has 2 steel balls, a bracket to mount a photo gate to, and there are 3 different launch velocities that you can choose from. What makes this apparatus better than other projectile launchers is the cable that you use to release the projectile. This way you don't have any sudden flipping motion on the apparatus itself. It is very smooth, so you only have the spring launching the ball, causing the motion. The only other piece of equipment that you would need besides a meter stick or a tape measure is a sturdy C-clamp, so you can firmly attach this to your bench top. A good projectile launcher is repeatable and accurate. I'm firing this twice into this little tube on the end, and it hits both times. I found some carbon paper and shot this 20 times, and they all landed within 1 centimeter of each other, measured directly from the launcher. I have this mounted to my backdrop, but you can mount it to anything that is vertical and very sturdy. Now this allows you to fire projectiles horizontally from a pretty tall height, and students can investigate the fall due to gravity of a horizontally moving object. The mini projectile launcher is a compact and easy solution for students to investigate projectiles, horizontal motion, gravity, as well as vectors. At 45 degrees and at the 3 different launch velocities, you can get a range of 3.5, 5.5, and 8 feet. So this works if you have a short table or if you have a lot of space in your lab. The metal base ensures that you can clamp this securely to your tabletop or to any vertical structure. The remote firing cable allows you for a smooth launch, ensuring that you're not jarring this at all and you have a very precise and repeatable experiment.